My name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be opening our IPSY Glam Bag Plus, the very first one of the new year. Okay, now as I go ahead and get this opened, if you like this look, this was done with the products from last month's IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So if you'd like to see what that was about, check out the video. I'll link it above. Okay, now, as you know, this is the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and with that, we get a drawstring bag, okay? And I have to admit, this one I really like. It says Dream all over it. So that's what we're about. We're dreaming. And then we're going to see those dreams come to pass, okay? Now, let's just go ahead and dig right in. Now, as you know, IPSY chooses a couple of items for you and then allows you to choose whatever else you want. 3 of them, okay? So, let's talk about the ones that IPSY chose for me first. Now, as you know, IPSY does not, wait for it. No, I thought they were actually going to give us description cards again, but that is not the case. Okay, this is what they gave us this month. It is not a description card. It says January 2021, dream it. New month, new year, whew, and the sky's the limit. When you start small, a trim here, a bold lip there, your grandest glow goals will be within reach. Get into this month's theme at ipsy.com/dreamit. I will let you know the manufacturer suggested retail price of all the items that I did receive in here at the end. Then the next thing that they gave us is about Glam Bag and Patrick Ta, okay? This one is what's coming for next month. Now, I want you to know, I signed up for this so I can show it to you. And it's 8 full-size products. Of course, you still choose 3, and they're worth up to $428. Curated faves from celebrity makeup artist Patrick Ta, okay? Now, let's get into some products. Now, the first item that IPSY chose for me, I am so here for it. And that is the $1 Billion Brows, the best brow toolkit ever. Professional quality and salon approved. Okay, so when we open it up, it comes like this. We have our spoolie and our brush, our angled brush, okay? And we have our brow scissors. Oh, these are nice. They are nice weight to them. Have a little curve on it, okay? And of course they say $1 Billion Brows as well. And we also have a set of tweezers. That's pretty amazing because this is the kind of tweezer that I like. See, these are mine. These are the ones that they have here. Right up my alley. These are my style, okay? So that's the first item. Let's see what the website has to say about it. Now it says, all the tools you'll need to groom your eyebrows, straight edge stainless steel scissors, perfect for trimming, pro grade tweezers, especially coated, especially. Specially coated and designed to grab the finest of hairs, and an angled brush for applying powder and pomade. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $56. They better be the best ever. I'm just saying, okay? So that is item number 1, chosen for me by IPSY. Then item number 2 is by THRIVE Causmetics. Now I love me some THRIVE Causmetics, okay? I'm just saying, y'all know that. So the item that I did receive from them is the Brilliant Eye Brightener. And this is the highlighting stick, and it's in the shade Aurora, okay? And this is, of course, the outer packaging. Okay, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. And our website says this shimmery copper eye brightener diffuses light to make your eye area look refreshed and lifted. It's infused with macadamia and metal foam oils, hydrate your skin, and help reduce the look of fine lines. The manufacturer's suggested retail price of this product is $24. Okay, so let's just check out this. Oh, this is beautiful. And I do like the fact that it is retractable. Okay, and let's just see here. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, this is my shade. Can't wait to try that one out. Okay, then let's see what the next item is. This one is the Butter Skin Cleanser. Okay, I'm definitely here for this packaging as well. Okay, and this one says soothing coconut oil and lavender flower extract condition to calm your complexion, leaving your skin smooth, hydrated, and healthy looking. Gently lifts away dirt, oil, debris, and sloughs off dead skin surface cells that cause dullness. Okay, this is 3.4 fluid ounces, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price for this cleanser is $15. It is safety sealed, so. Oh, but you can smell it through here. Yeah. Oh, it's got a nice light, fresh scent. Okay, I'm excited to use that one. I know I am all about cleansers on my face with coconut oil. I've had challenges with my skin. If you'd like to know about that, I'll list that one above. Just, there is a caution on that one. Okay, then the next product is by Calilis. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And this is the Whipped Moisturizing Cream for normal to dry skin. All right, and this says good days start with coffee. Just saying. Okay, and the website says, like a souffle for your skin. This moisture-rich whipped face cream softens, soothes, and repairs signs of damage with a cocktail of aloe vera, calendula extract, coconut oil, and organic green coffee. As soon as you smooth it on, your complexion will look and feel instantly healthier. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this product, which is 2 full ounces, is $34. let's try it out. I just washed my hands so I could use some right about now. But guess what? It's safety sealed. Okay, I just folded it back just a little because I would like to try it out for you and for me. Oh, it does smell amazing. Okay, now I just washed my hands. There is a difference. This is without and this is with. And it feels magnificent. Okay, then let's move right along. Now, those of you that know me know I have a thing for brushes. My daughter says I am practically addicted. I don't think so, but I definitely like brushes. The next item that I have is by my favorite brush company, and that is Larouche. Yes, another set of brushes, y'all. But I love their brushes. However, this is a little different than the set that I have. Okay, so let's just check it out. So, I am so excited to show these to you, okay? These are definitely not like my other ones. And I am excited and I can't wait for review time. Look at these. Ooh, okay. Let's just see here. The website says whether you want to flawlessly apply foundation, give your cheeks a pop of color, or blend your shadow to perfection, this 5-piece brush set has got you covered. Each brush is designed to be easy to grip and maneuver in your hand, and also happens to look super chic too. The manufacturer suggested retail price of these brushes right here, $150 for a 5-piece set. Whew. Okay, let's go through them. The first one that I have is the LR007 tapered blending brush. Then we have the LR002 flat shading brush. Then we have the LR309 blush brush. Ooh, this one, that's kind of funny, okay? It's a little staticky, so look how the brush is spread out from the static. Okay, we'll take care of that. Then we have the LR308 highlighter brush. And the last one we have is the LR375 flat powder brush. I love these brushes. They are absolutely right. You don't have to worry about them slipping when you're using them. The brushes are always nice and soft and dense, and they work wonderfully with powder, creams, all of it. So fantastic. Okay, I'm excited. I am so looking forward to create, review, and give my first impression of these products. Okay, so these are the products that are included in this month's IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and down below you will see the manufacturer suggested retail price for the entire contents. And I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. Don't forget to go and check this out. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.